Balochistan the opportunity to host such distinguished members of parliament from all around Asia. The geostrategic location of Gwadar is considered a milestone that provides Pakistan with a remarkable opportunity to politically elevate its relationship under the long-term and systematic partnership with the Asian region. The deep sea port at Gwadar will trace the changing pattern of global economic landscape. I am confident that this very port will play a vital role in the EPA's pursuit of Asian prosperity in the future. The infrastructure development of Gwadar Port is a key part of a multi-billion-dollar project of One Belt and Road Initiative by China. Under the Road and Belt Initiative, China has envisioned a new era of economic prosperity by constructing roads and expanding maritime routes in the Indian Ocean. With its ambition, China is developing a new form of global connectivity, boosting regional expansion along the length and breadth of Asia, Europe and Africa, catering to more than half the world's population. The economic collaboration between the two neighboring countries, China and Pakistan, under CPEC, will not be fruitful for the people of these two countries. Rather, it will be a threshold of opportunities for the entire Asian region for expanding trade and industrial cooperation, promoting regional connectivity and urban development. The completion of energy and infrastructural development projects will bring enormous benefits and improve the living standards of the people. The construction of roads and highways from Gwadar to China means exuberating the growth of common people. For the people of Asia, Gwadar deep sea port means bringing the global market to the doorstep of the people for investments and business ventures. The tangible outcomes of CPEC are targeted on the socio-economic uplift of people of Balochistan in particular and Pakistan in general, which will be strengthened through education and promoting peace in the region. The Chinese government has taken such positive initiatives by investing in roads, schools, vocational training institutes and public health care facilities in Gwadar. The government of Balochistan in the coming years further plans to brighten the master plan of Gwadar while focusing on the needs of the local communities who have been residing here for centuries. It is here that I commend the Senate of Pakistan's efforts as the House of Federation to guard the rights of its federating units. This grand intercontinental meeting here in developing port of Gwadar thus grants immense significance to the all-inclusive development agenda. I firmly believe that building trust and understanding based on mutual respect must be our priority, being indispensable to regional integration. Ladies and gentlemen, parliamentarians are uniquely positioned to play a significant role, especially in promoting the ideals of peace and prosperity in the region, and to help put Asia on global center stage. I am confident that our endeavors will prove to be successful in achieving all the objects on our present agenda, leading further deepening of cooperation among Asian nations on the basis of equality and mutual respect. Thank you very much.